Who is that?
Who's that?
Who's that?
Bubble. No. Bubble. Dirt.
What's that? What are those?
What is that? Look. Here comes one. Look.
Show me your pictures. Show them to me. Oh, you're going to squish your pictures. Hey, did you have a good birthday? Did you have a good birthday, Ian?
Tell Mom it's very good.
Very good. You had a full day, huh? Well, come here.
That probably did suck.
What do you do?
Through there and smacked his hand on the wall.
Ow. Who is that? Who's this, Ian? Who is this? Dora? Who's this?
Bubble.
SpongeBob? What's this?
Bubble. Bubble.
What's this?
There's cars in that one.
What's that?
Dude, this car. Look, they had a good looking car.
Is that your car? Do you have fun today, Ian?
Tell Mommy. Very good.
Blow me kisses. Ian.
Blow Mommy kisses.
Aw, you gonna blow Oma kisses? Blow Oma kisses and tell her thank you for your big car.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say I. Ian, say I.
I'll fix it. Listen to Mommy.
Say I
Love
you,
you.
Oma.
Mama.
Oma.
Mama.